Just to go through Act 1, Scene 1 and 2. Any part, any doubt left there, you can ask now. If there is no doubt, we may go to the next scene. Act 1, Scene 3. Over there, standing there, over there. Now those who have come back, stand up. Those who came back, now stand up. Did I tell you to stand there or go there? But not to ask me just for drinking water. Not all of you. Where were you?
बेटा बताओ आप बोलो जोशा ने बोला जल्दी बोलो अब लास्ट आप बोल रहे थे ना जोशा से पूछ के आया बताओ कौन अभी मैंने थप्पड़ मार दिए
Just now only reached. Some of you are already out. Is it? Keep the discipline properly. Okay. Sit down all. Act 1, Scene 3. Venice, a public place. Scene 1 was also in Venice. There Antonio and his friends, Bassanio, his friends, all were introduced. Second scene, Belmont, there Portia is introduced. Then scene 3, we expect that a negative character, a villain character should be introduced here. That we are going to see here. Directly, Shylock may not be introduced. There should be a particular situation to introduce. What is the particular situation? Bassanio and Antonio are searching for a money lender. They might have approached many money lenders. Within that, they would not be satisfied or they would not have enough money. That may be. That is not given there. All the money lenders and the amount of money they were able to give, that are not the part of our story. So that is not given there. And in the beginning of this scene, Shylock, 3,000 ducats well. Is it possible to start like that? What might have happened earlier? Bassanio might have reached Shylock, speaks to him, told his personal matters, what is the need of money, how much amount he needs, like that so many matters might have told. But for the storyline, 3,000 ducats asked by Bassanio from Shylock. This is the matter we need to continue our story. So here it is the beginning. Means whenever we meet a person, directly, I need 3,000 ducats, give me 3,000 ducats, like that we may not start our talk. Personally, they might have talked to each other. Anyway, in between the conversation, Shylock asks, you need 3,000 ducats. Well means it's good. That the demand is good or your way of asking is good. Then Bassanio, yeah, sir, for three months. How much amount? What is the amount? 3,000 ducats and the duration of time 3 months. That all made it clear. Then Shylock again repeat the same. 3,000 ducats, okay, that I understood, and 3 months, that also I come to know. Bassanio, for which, as I told you, Antonio shall be bound. For you don't think that I am able to return the money, because Shylock himself or any other money lender. If we consider, nobody will be ready to provide a loan to Bassanio. Why? Because Bassanio was not an able person to return such a huge amount. As he is young and he is having a large number of friends there over there, he has enough chance to spend money, but to save money or to acquire money is not possible for him. So that is why Bassanio knows what is his weakness. He has no opportunity to save money that he himself knows. That is why he says that you don't look at me for the money to be returned. Means you should not think that I myself may return the money. Who may return the money? Here, Antonio, he says that Antonio, my best friend, will be responsible for 3,000 ducats. Then, Shylock says that if Antonio is ready to give a guarantee, that will be nice. Means Antonio is a rich man, he is having rich business, and it will be easy for him to get by. Bassanio, may I state me? Will you pleasure me? Challenge your answer. Then Bassanio again said, because Shylock is not ready to say that yes, I am ready to give you. That he has not given the answer. But he is slipping from one sentence to another sentence and not giving proper answer. So Bassanio asked, can you give me proper answer? Then Shylock says, 3,000 ducats for 3 months. And Antonio is the guarantee for 3,000 ducats. That I am very clear. I know it. Bassanio, give me your answer. You are again repeating my question. My request you are repeating again and again. You are not giving the answer. Shylock, Antonio is a good man. Yes, Antonio is a good person that I know about. Bassanio again asks, have you heard any implication to the contrary? Have you heard any complaint about Antonio? Sometimes we may be asked about a person. Do you know the person? How is he or how is she? Not bad. Not bad means. Oh, okay, good. It means something is fishy. Something is inside. Means not that which very like that where he told that. Shylock told that Antonio is good. Then Shylock says that I don't have any complaint about him. I am not telling about any complaint about him. I say that this is for 3,000 ducats. He is rich enough to hand over or return 3,000 ducats. But there is a drawback in him. That is, his business is not a safe business. Various businesses are there, very safe business, risky business. Mostly business, risky business only. Is it? Business are mostly risky because so many, just before the this is Corona spread, all the businessmen were doing their work very seriously as well as profitably they were doing. Within an announcement, everything come to an end. How? Next 15 days, lockdown, that declaration. After 15 days, again 15 more. Mostly eatables, bakery shops like that. Complete damage. Then crockery items like that, so many items. Even electronic items, electric items also, lot of damage. So like that, the business, now business is 100% safe. And Antonio's business is 100% risky. because his businesses depend upon ships, cargo ships. That time, travel by ship was highly dangerous because modern equipments were not there, modern communication systems were not there. Nobody knows how the ship is traveling from one place to another. Start the journey, end of the year. These two things only people know. But the sailors handle the ship in which way? Thousands of kilometers, a number of days, months, many months, even year. During British rule, the beginning of British rule, England to India, 1 year travel. Nowadays, it be possible to believe 1 year travel means continuously 1 year the ship was not traveling. In between, so many climatic changes, different places, different climates, like that, so many changes. So to overcome many days, they have to stay one place. Like that, a lot of risk. Kindly, if the ship does not reach, what may happen? The things, the cargo, which already packed, that all will be damaged. There will not be any profit. The timely it should be reached. And this ship may have number of various insects, the rat-like creatures, all may be inside. Within a year, if it is food grade, within a year, more than half of the food grain may be eaten up or damaged. That would not be used. Like that, so many risks are there in Indonesia's business. Climatic change, people, human, these all are human beings. They may be sick, they may fallen ill, they may attack each other. Then pirates may attack the ship. Because of the climatic change, they may not be able to see. The visibility may not be proper. Ship may go through wrong direction. Like there are so many risks are there. So Shylock says that one way Antonio is the best person to give guarantee. Another way, Antonio is also not proper person to give guarantee because Antonio's business at present he is a rich man and he has lot of varieties of business in various parts of the world. These all are correct. But because of the risk behind it, should be considered. So Antonio should be given a written or signed agreement. According to the written signed agreement, Shylock is ready to lend the money. Bassanio says, Shylock, do you hear? Then Bassanio asked Shylock, can you listen to me? Because Bassanio first asked, Antonio is coming here. Before that, one more matter is there. Shylock, risk on Shylock's ship already told after that. Bassanio told, be assured, you may. If you want to get a written agreement, it will be given. We are ready to. Antonio will be ready to. Then Shylock said, if you say that will not be considered, who should say? Antonio should say that I am ready to sign on it. Somebody else say that may not be. Maybe you are close friends. That is the relation between both of you. I don't have such a relationship with you or with Antonio. So I need the proper promise from whom? From Antonio. Then Bassanio says, if you want to meet Shylock wants to meet Antonio, what should be done? Shiloh can come to Antonio's dinner. That means Antonio has arranged a dinner for his friends. To that dinner, who can also come? Shylock also can come, and Basani also will be there. So all the business matters will be discussed there. Proper, if it is any agreement or something is there, that can be written there. Each and every matter will be discussed there. Then Shylock insulted Bassanio and Antonio and all the Christians together. A Shylock says that you are inviting me for eating pork. Pork means meat of pig. You are inviting me to eat meat of pig because according to Jewish religion, pigs are prohibited enemies. Means devilish enemy. They carry devil with them. So pigs. But during Jesus Christ's time, when Jesus Christ was teaching moral values to the villagers from another village, a young man was carried by a group of people. The group of people told Jesus Christ that this young man is influenced by evil spirit, devil. That means devil is in him. That is why he tried to suicide himself. He tried to jump into the river water, sometimes jump into burning fire. Like that activities he tried to do. It is because of the influence of devil in him. When it is told, Jesus Christ looked at the young man. Jesus Christ did not speak to the young man, only to the devil in him. Really, the opinion of the people was right. The young man was influenced by devil. Then Jesus Christ told the devil, the evil spirit, that go out from him. Immediately devil asked, I don't have a body. I am only a spirit. I need a body to live. As a spirit, I am not able to lead my life. I need a body. Then Jesus Christ looked around the village. Then he found that in the corner of the village, some pigs were playing in the dirty water. He told the evil spirit to go to them and live with them. Second last, third last, both stand up. Yes, stand up. Both of you, take your book and come. Come here. Very fast. Don't have time to. Both of you come here. Then Jesus Christ told the evil spirit to go and live with them. It was not a single pig, a group of pigs. The evil spirit pushed the young man down and went out of him, and it ended into these pigs. These pigs immediately became mad. They started running upward to a small hill. The other side of the hill was the Red Sea. They all jumped from the top of the hill and they committed suicide. Who? Pigs. It means that pigs are devilish animals. So, Jesus Christ showed that, pointed out that these pigs are devilish animals. But Christians are having the habit of eating the meat of pig. So Shiloh told, you are not obedient to your God. Poor Christians are not obedient to Jesus Christ or your God. But I am not ready to do so. But really, do you think that Christians are forfeiters? Once if we discuss like that, impression will be there. Really, it is not like that. Central Asia means Israel, Jewish people lived in Central Asia. Central Asia mostly having hot climate. Winter temperature may be low, but mostly the maximum period of time in a year hot climate. So they needed normal food. They were also non-vegetarian, but much fatty food they did not need. Pig's meat is consists of maximum fatty food. So Central Asian people do not like to have that fatty food. So they avoided pig's meat, and according to their religious belief also, it was prohibited. So mostly Jewish people from the beginning onwards avoided the meat of pigs. Other meat they ate, non-vegetarian food they followed. But in Europe, climate is entirely different. Maximum days in a year, cold climate. So they needed fatty food. Maximum fat possible to get it from pig's meat. So it was available in Europe, and they kept animal farms, and especially pig farms. They kept there in Europe. During Jesus Christ time, means around 2020 years ago, Christianity began in Central Asia. Among the Jewish people, Christianity began. That time, they only changed their religion, but their social habit, custom, tradition, food habit, this all was same. Jewish people, what they followed, same Christians also followed. But after some years, some decades, from Central Asia to Europe, Christianity spread. Around AD 300, Roman Emperor himself received Christianity as his religion and declared that my empire will be the Christian empire. Means Christianity will be the religion of the empire. Like that he adopted it. Means the whole Europe was under Roman. So almost all the European people forcefully, because the king was, the emperor was there, and they did not have proper religious faith. One God faith was not there, only Greek religion was there. Greek religion comes hundreds and thousands of gods, so they were not people were not able to follow the Greek religion proper way. So the convenient religion they thought was Christianity. So they adopted it. when they became Christians, they followed the European food habit, culture, custom, tradition, everything. That time, Jewish people mostly kept enmity with Christians because Jesus Christ was killed by Jewish. And naturally, Jewish and Christians were enemies from the beginning. And whenever they got an opportunity to insult each other, they did made use of it. The same happened here also. Jewish people were waiting for an opportunity to insult Christians because Christians' number increasing and spread almost all part of Europe and other part of the world also it is spreading. So Jewish people told that these Christians are forgetters. Why? Because European Christians ate pigs. So it was only an insult to the Christians. It is not the general character of Christians. The food habit of Christians as like us other religious people, according to the culture, tradition, climate, the need of the people, situation, all depend upon those who are living nearby seashore. Means the seashore, the people, those who are living on seashore, not considering the religion, they mostly depend upon fish products. Various fish products they mostly eat. Whether they are Christians, Hindus, Muslims, or Sikh or whoever they eat because that demand, because availability, the climate of the area, the availability of the ingredients, all depend upon. So like that, there is no real religious base there, but Shiloh has got an opportunity to insult Christian that he made use of, and he says that I am not ready to pray with you, eat with you, drink with you, but I am ready to talk to you, business with you, walk with you, and so on. Like that, Shiloh told. Till that time, Antonio himself reached there. Then Bassanio introduces that this is respected Antonio. Shiloh was very angry at him, but he did not say anything openly. Aside it is written. Aside means speaks in mind. Shiloh says that he is looking like an angry tax collector. Angry tax collector means the income tax officer. Nowadays you can say like that. No. To receive him and making him happy, is it possible? He may have little anger. But if we are perfect in our payment, income tax payment, we may not be that much worried about. But the income tax collectors of Israel was not like that. Israel was under Roman rule, like India was under British rule. Same way it was. Israel was under Roman rule. Rome and Israel distance means a continent distance is there. Rome was in Europe and Israel was in Asia. So considerable distance was there. We know that nowadays to travel by air or by train, okay, it is easy to reach within 2-3 days. But they were using mostly bullock carts and horse cart was also not used widely because horse were mostly used for war purpose. Kings and rulers, high officials only used it. It was high costly one. So bullock carts were used. bullock cart speed, you know. From one continent to another continent, how many days may be? It was not very easy for. So, kings or emperors did another easy way to collect the tax. They divide the country into various states, districts, local area division, like that many divisions did. And a particular area, particular tax collector, private tax collector was appointed. And the tax collector, a target would be given. Suppose 1 lakh. 1 year, 1 lakh, suppose it is rupees. 1 lakh rupees should be given to the government treasury. That would be the target. And how to collect it? That proper modern rules were not there. Then this tax collector may come and collect according to his wish. That was why people were angry at him. Why? If he entered into somebody's house with the security guard and the police officers, enter into the house, if he feels that hereditary property too much in that house, all will be taken. He may say that you have to pay 50,000 this year. Who will ask? There was no proper law and order. Law and order should be maintained by the police. That same police is with the tax collector. Then what may be? Whatever the good thing, valuable thing at home, all will be taken away by tax collector. So, from a distance, people look at the tax collector, people will be angry at him. But that angry feeling, they were not able to express. If it is expressed, the police will arrest the person and take him to jail. So, silently he has to bear it, but angry, feeling of angry may be inside. Shylock also say like that, when I look at Antonio, I also feel that I am looking at a tax collector. Antonio is not a tax collector, but my feeling is almost same. That angry feeling is there. Because, why? What is the reason? Because he brings down the rate of interest in monies. How he brings down? Suppose generally 10% is the interest rate. Suppose, and the money lender, Shylock is the major money lender. He may increase the tax, interest rate from 10 to 15%. This year 15% will be the interest rate. He may fix it. Common people may not be ready to pay that much. They may not, as the customers, they may not come to Shylock. Then that time, Antonio is ready to give money, allow loan, without interest. He may say, you come and get money from me. Whenever you may have money, return it. Where the customers may go? Customers may go to Antonio. Then Shylock's earlier 10% may come down to 5%. Why? Customers are not there. Lack of demand. He may reduce the interest rate. Like that, because of the interference of Antonio in Shylock's business, Shylock's interest rate is very low and he is not able to get the maximum profit from his business. That is why he is angry at it. Then Shylock thinks that this is the opportunity to trap me, which is the opportunity. Now Antonio and Bassanio come to ask money from Shylock. Then, if he in this situation, revenge can be fulfilled. Whose revenge? Shylock's revenge can be fulfilled. That he is thinking about. These all matters he did not say anybody. He speaks to himself, means a thought in mind. That is why Bassanio asked Shylock, do you hear? Because Bassanio feels that if he is thinking something and he did not listen to Bassanio, then Shylock says that yes, I am listening, but together with I am thinking. 3,000 decades I may not be able to arrange all together. So, what can I do? I may seek the help of my friend. His name is Tubal, and he is also a moneylender. He also belongs to Jewish religion, and both of them are friends. So, with the help of Tubal, here it is given as wealthy Hebrew. What is meant by Hebrew? Wealthy Hebrew. What is meant by Hebrew? Anybody? Jewish fellow is the given answer. Little more details is there. That much is enough for the paper. Any other detail, anybody? Oh, yes. Remove it and say, set off? Nobody listen to it, I don't understand it. What is it? So then, how listen to him. Understood? Anybody? Listen to him, I didn't get it. What he said, not your answer, what he said. Can you say? Nearby people. Remove it and say, oh. Not like that. Shh. Listen. When you go to South India, what you will be addressed? What you will be addressed? He is or she is a Punjabi. Is it? What it means? You belong to Punjab, one meaning, another meaning. You are speaking Punjabi language. Same only here. Hebrew means one who speaks Hebrew language. Means the language of Jewish is Hebrew. Here, so you told the next one. One who is speaking Hebrew is called here Hebrew, means Jewish. Understand that? So Jewish fellow. In short, we can say Hebrew means Jewish fellow. And Punjabi language is having another relation with the religion. Which religion it is related to? Sikhism it is related to. And Hindu people also use Punjabi. But Hinduism is not based on Punjabi. Hinduism is based on not Hindi. Sanskrit. And the modern form of Sanskrit mostly we can consider Hindi, not Punjabi. So each religion having a particular relation with a particular religion. Like that Christianity in the beginning. Christianity was closely related to Greek and Latin. And all the prayer, each and everything in Christianity was either in Greek or in Latin. Because maximum number of Latin and Greek people converted into Christianity in the beginning. But the language of Jesus Christ was both of them. Language of Jesus Christ was Jesus Christ belonged to which religion? Jesus Christ belonged to which religion? Jewish religion. And the first Sikh Guru belonged to which religion? Hinduism. He was not a Sikh. He was a Hindu. Like that, Jesus Christ, by the name of Jesus Christ, Christianity, but Jesus Christ himself was not a Christian, he was a Jewish. So his language, Hebrew was his language, but not the exact Hebrew. Local Hebrew he spoke was known as Aramaic. Aramaic was his language. Aramaic. Aramaic was the branch of Hebrew. Hebrew language. Hebrew is modern Polish form of Jewish language is Hebrew, but it was locally used Aramaic during the time of Jesus Christ. Then this all matters related to Hebrew. Hebrew means, in a sense we can say Hebrew means Jewish fellow. But so how many months do you desire? Then Shylock asked for how many months do you want the money and how much is the money, how you told everything. Each and then Antonio said, I neither lend nor borrow. Then Antonio told that I don't have the habit of borrowing and lending money. My business is not money lending business. So I don't know how to lend money or borrow money. So that you have to handle it. Means how to make the agreement, where to make the agreement, where to do the sign, who all should sign on it. Like that matters. A does not know. For example, as a student, how to write an application letter you know. But how to write a case for the court, that we don't. Why? Because we are not aware of it, we are not related to it. Where we are related, there we have proper knowledge. Shylock is related to money lending business, so he knows how to do it. Antonio does not know. Then Shylock says, 3,000 acres he need, and for 3 months he need, and then he says, I had forgot 3 months. You told me so. Well then, your bond. Bond means agreement. And let me see, but hear you. Method. Method means I thought. You said you neither lend nor borrow upon advantage. And Shylock is ready to take the responsibility. What responsibility? How to make the agreement, how to hand over the money, and he is ready to give the money. If he does not have 3,000 acres, he is ready to arrange from his friend all the matters. The money lending related matters, all responsibility who takes? Shylock takes. That is the fault from Antonio's side. Antonio is going to be trapped because Shylock, according to his wish, he may make the agreement. Antonio will sign on it. Antonio may not be that much serious about the agreement. But later on, that agreement itself will be very crucial for his life. Whose life? Antonio's life. So we have reached the major point of the story. What is the major point of the story? Agreement is the major point. How to make the agreement? What are the matters described in the agreement? These are the matters it depends upon. So till page number 48. Once more, all of you should read it and come. Then anybody having any doubt in that part, make it clear. So next further part will be continued next week.